Hi, today we are going to learn how to make slime. These are the ingredients that you're going to need. First of all, liquid starch. This is the best brand, Sta-Flo. Glue, it can be any brand. Food coloring, any color that you like. A container, a spoon, and sometimes we need water, just in case it doesn't work and it's too hard, so that we can mix it. First, we need to open the glue. And pour it in the container. Then add the food coloring. A few drops should be fine, but it depends on you and the tone of color that you want it to have. Mix it. I chose this light green. When the color is ready, you can add the liquid starch. There's not an exact amount. You need to move it and mix it to see if it's working. It should get thick. If some parts are still liquid, you keep on adding liquid starch until it gets gooey like this. You can add some more liquid starch until you feel that it has the correct texture. Now your slime is ready. You can play with it however you want. Thanks for watching.